Ready to unlock the power of social commerce and turn Facebook scrollers into Shopify shoppers? First, log into your Shopify Admin account. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Sales Channels option. If Facebook isn't already listed, click the Add Sales Channel button. Now, search for Facebook in the Shopify App Store. Find a Facebook and Instagram ad, which is made by Meta, and click the Add App button. Click Install Sales Channel to grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your Shopify data. You'll be redirected to the Facebook and Instagram setup page. Click Start Setup within the Facebook section. Connect your personal Facebook account, ensuring you have admin access to the Facebook business page you want to link. Don't worry, Shopify will only use this connection to manage the integration. Select the Facebook business page you want to connect to your Shopify store. If you don't have a business page, you can create one right from here. Next, connect your Instagram account if you have one linked to your Facebook business page. This is an optional step but is recommended. Accept Facebook's terms and conditions and any data sharing settings. Set up the Facebook pixel or connect an existing one. The pixel tracks website visitor behavior, allowing you to create targeted ad campaigns. Configure your data sharing settings. Choose the level of customer data you want to share with Facebook, keeping in mind privacy regulations. Create a product catalog or connect an existing one that contains all the products you want to showcase on Facebook. Shopify will now review your products to make sure they meet Facebook's commerce policies. This process can take up to 48 hours. Once approved, your Shopify products will be displayed on your Facebook shop. Now you can start selling directly on Facebook, run targeted ads, and boost your brand awareness.